hope all are doing good in this corona situation. Today I went to a nursery and bought some plants for my balcony garden. Let's see what kind of plants I bought. This is variety of Pothos plant. It's cost me around 100 rupees. It's require indirect sunlight. This pot I had before. And planted it. This is kind of succulent. It's cost around 100 rupees. It's require direct sunlight. Watering weekly once. This is pink color Bougainvillea plants. I bought it for making bonsai. Its price around 100 rupees. This plant is variety of Pothos plant. It's cost me around 250 rupees. Watering weekly once. And this pot I had before. This is a variety of mini rose plant. It's cost me around 100 rupees. It's require direct sunlight. See this beautiful flowers. See this beautiful flowers. It's variety of lily plants. It cost me around 250. This is a variety of red Krishna Kamal plant. See this beautiful flowers. It cost me around 200 rupees. See, there are lots of buds and it will bloom shortly. It will bloom next year. It requires direct sunlight and watering weekly twice or thrice. This is a variety of white color desert rose. It's cost me around 350 and lots of buds are there and shortly it will bloom. This is Moonlight Philodendron. It's cost me around 150. Require indirect sunlight and watering when soil is dry. It's another variety of philodendron. It's cost me around 80 rupees. It's require indirect sunlight and watering when soil will dry. This is a variety of ficus plant. It's cost me around 80 rupees. It requires direct sunlight. What not potted yet, I will pot it. This is a variety of succulent plant. It's called sea urchin. It's cost me around 50 rupees. It's require direct sunlight and watering when soil is dry. It's a variety of syngonium plant. It's cost around 100 rupees. It's require indirect sunlight and watering weekly once. And this pot I had before. This is a princess flower plant. It cost me around 200 rupees. It requires direct sunlight and watering daily. See, there are lots of pots and it gives pink color flower. See my beautiful pothos plant. I bought this plant for my home indoor decoration. See these leaves. There are 3 variety of plants in one pot. It cost me around 350.